Good morning. I thought it was about time I put another telephone up. You'll be thinking I'm bloody dead or something. In fact, I haven't been on here for a while. Mind you, I haven't felt that well. Result of a long, drawn out, dull, miserable winter and the effects of Wolfram, where, as far as I'm concerned, the only warm place is in bed. So let's hope we get through to spring. It won't come quick enough. I'm very tempted to actually put a little, not a little rant, but a little thing about history, I suppose, the way I see things going. But anyhow, away from that, let's get back to this telephone, which, as you can see, it's a Dawn. This one was actually manufactured, well, they say manufactured, I think they really mean reassembled from parts that had come from Canada, as these were made by Northern Electric and used in Canada, obviously sold in the States as well. But these came over a few years ago. I can remember it. I won't say because I'm an old so-and-so. It happens to be true. A bit of information there. And the old sticker which was put on stuff which was supposed to be safe to use with BT equipment. And there's the name, Northern Telecom. Yeah, I'm not taking this one apart. It's not easy. These were very fiddly, and I think, in my opinion, a bit of a lash up from the genuine ones sold the other side of the pond. But nevertheless, this was quite a good phone. The lead has this extended curly bit on it, ending in the normal plug. Don't ask me a number of it, I'm number blind. That's my excuse, I'm sticking to it. The dial, as you can see, is obviously the American type dial, or the Canadian type dial, with the finger stop. Quite a long way. A lot of them are sort of there, but that's not in this case. And it's just numbers. You've got no letters. On the on the Canadian one, you didn't have letters as well, I believe. I might show one. I have got a couple of them. It's just that, as I say, I'm still not feeling that well. So excuse me if I sound a bit off. I'm in blooming pain. Woke up with a wrist aching. I've tried to get help, but the doctor doesn't want to do anything. I think it's all a form of gout. All I need is a tablet to just take, and that would clear the crystals which form between the rubbing surfaces, if you like, of your joints. It's very painful. A lot of people that don't get it don't understand why so much fuss is made, but believe me, it is very, very painful, and I wouldn't wish gout onto anyone. It is really painful. Normally affects the feet, but not in all cases. It seems to dodge about with me, and I won't know until the morning whether I'm going to suffer from anything. So, yeah, thanks to my health doctors and that, send you out for a blood test. If it doesn't show anything, they don't give anything about it. Probably realise that by the time I've gone for the blood test, the uric acid has long lost the system. Anyhow, no more about that. I might, as I say, might do a little ramblings, if you like, rants. I feel the time is due. I've never ever felt so, I say bad, I suppose you could say, the way things are going, the way the news is going. But anyhow, enough of that. I might do that next. So anyhow, there's your, I didn't tell you the name, that's a Dawn telephone. Sometimes called the pancake. I wonder why. I know they, I believe Tesla make a similar one, which I haven't got an example of. But yes, see. Yeah, this was the TSR, that was Telephone Special Range 8008A. And as I say, it's made in Ireland. I think they should really say it was assembled in Ireland, because, you know, Ireland did use the 500 type telephone, which was also made by Northern Telecom, and they normally had made in Canada on them, although they were made for the Irish. I think it was the P&T. Anyway, got the name there, Dawn. '82, could that be the year? It could be. Anyway, that's more or less all I've got to say on this one. A fairly heavy job. Once again, the case is not easy to get off. I use that as an excuse to say one more. And also I noticed a bit of dust or something under the dial there. As always, you get dust. I've got antique dust, by the way. Probably all antique. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I don't know what I'm going to put up next. I feel like having a little bit of a rant. I think after reaching 80, I think I'm entitled to remember things of the past. Unfortunately, most were bad things. Some were good. It may be worth a little talk about that. Anyhow, once again, thanks for watching. And I say, yeah, I'm still alive and kicking. But feel like death warmed up. I think I've got a cold on top of feeling always cold. So anyhow, thanks again for watching. Thank you.